This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I would like to show how to fix hacked system problems on this device. So if you suspect that your security has gotten compromised, if your smartphone is hacked perhaps, first thing that I recommend you do is go into Google Play Store, open the Play Protect, and scan your system through the Play Protect scan. If it will spot or if it will find any malware or harmful apps, it will let you know about it, and it will also help you to get rid of those threats right away. In order to use the second advice for this video, you need to have internet connection, so let me set up mine. So now, once your phone is connected to the internet, find and install the Avast antivirus app. Here is the app that we are looking for, so get it installed, and inside this app follow the detailed instructions for the antivirus or security scan. So perform it or run it. If the app will spot any security threats or viruses in particular, it will help you get rid of them. And the final advice that I have for all of you guys is to launch settings, enter the apps category, and here look through each individual application that is installed on your phone. And if you spot any suspicious or sketchy entry, like let's say in my case this suspicious entry is going to be Spotify, uninstall this app just to be safe, or uninstall such app just to be safe. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.